What if Canon is about to refine one of the fastest professional cameras it has ever built? The Canon R3 was never about chasing megapixel headlines. It was designed for professionals who shoot under pressure, sports, wildlife, photojournalism, where speed, reliability, and autofocus precision matter more than anything else. Now, attention is turning toward the expected Canon R3 Mark II, and the real question is not whether it will be new, but how it will be better. The original R3 introduced Canon's stacked CMOS sensor technology into a pro-level integrated grip body. That stacked design dramatically reduced rolling shutter, enabled up to 30 frames per second with the electronic shutter, and delivered impressive high ISO performance. For indoor arenas, night stadiums, and unpredictable wildlife scenes, that combination made it a serious tool. With the Mark II version, the most realistic expectation is refinement rather than reinvention. Resolution is one of the biggest talking points. The R3 sits at 24.1 megapixels, which many professionals consider a sweet spot for speed and low-light performance. It is unlikely Canon would dramatically increase resolution, because higher megapixels often mean slower readout and reduced buffer depth. A modest increase, possibly into the high 20s or low 30s, would offer slightly more cropping flexibility without compromising performance. However, Canon may also choose to keep resolution similar and focus instead on sensor efficiency and faster readout. Readout speed is critical in stacked sensors. Faster readout reduces rolling shutter distortion and improves electronic shutter usability. If Canon enhances this further, photographers could rely even more confidently on electronic shutter without worrying about skew in fast-moving subjects like baseball bats, race cars, or birds in flight. Autofocus is where meaningful improvements are most expected. Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF system is already among the best in the industry. The R3 introduced deep learning subject detection for humans, animals, and motorsports. A Mark II version could refine detection algorithms, improve tracking consistency, and expand subject recognition categories. In real-world scenarios, that means fewer missed frames during chaotic action. A wide receiver cutting across defenders, a bird briefly passing behind branches, or a racing car partially obscured by barriers, improved AI tracking could maintain lock more consistently. These are not flashy upgrades, but they directly impact a professional's success rate. Eye Control AF was one of the most unique features of the R3. By detecting where the photographer looks in the viewfinder, the camera can shift focus points accordingly. While innovative, it required calibration and practice. A second-generation implementation could improve responsiveness, accuracy, and multi-user calibration storage. For professionals working events where speed matters, shaving even a fraction of a second off subject selection can make a difference. Burst performance will remain central to the R3 identity. The current model supports up to 30 frames per second with the electronic shutter and 12 frames per second mechanically. Rather than pushing frame rates dramatically higher, Canon may focus on buffer depth improvements and sustained performance. A deeper buffer combined with optimized CFexpress Type B support would allow extended raw bursts without slowdown. This matters during peak action moments, for example, capturing a full gymnastics routine or a sprint finish without hitting buffer limits. Professionals need consistency, not just peak numbers. Build quality is unlikely to change significantly. The integrated vertical grip design offers balance for large telephoto lenses and extended battery life using the LPE19 battery. Weather sealing and durability will likely remain at flagship standards. Cameras in this category are expected to withstand heavy use, challenging weather, and long assignments. Connectivity is increasingly important in professional workflows. Ethernet ports, fast wireless transfer, and reliable FTP integration are critical for photojournalists and sports shooters transmitting images directly from the field. Improvements in wireless stability or transfer speed would be practical enhancements rather than headline features, but they are highly valuable in real-world use. Video capabilities may see incremental updates as well. The R3 already offer S6K RAW internal recording and oversampled 4K. A Mark II could improve heat management, reduce rolling shutter in video mode, and enhance codec efficiency. However, the R3 line is primarily positioned as a stills-focused action body. While hybrid performance is important, it is unlikely Canon would transform it into a cinema-first device. Instead, expect reliability improvements and possibly refined internal processing. Low-light performance remains a strength of the R3 platform. With its relatively moderate resolution and stacked sensor design, it performs well at high ISO settings. Maintaining or slightly improving dynamic range and noise handling would reinforce its position as a dependable tool for dimly lit environments. Competition in the professional mirrorless segment is intense. High-speed stacked sensor cameras from other major brands continue to push autofocus and readout technology forward. Canon's approach with a Mark II version will likely focus on maintaining leadership in reliability, autofocus intelligence, and consistent performance rather than radically changing the formula. Pricing expectations would place it firmly in the professional tier, similar to its predecessor. This is not a camera aimed at casual hobbyists. It is designed for photographers who depend on their equipment for income. The identity of the R3 series is clear. It prioritizes speed over extreme resolution, responsiveness over marketing-driven numbers, and durability over compactness. A Mark II version will likely reinforce that philosophy. For sports photographers covering major leagues, consistency and autofocus accuracy matter more than megapixels. For wildlife photographers working with unpredictable subjects, silent high-speed bursts and reliable tracking are essential. For photojournalists, quick file delivery and dependable operation are critical. A meaningful upgrade in this segment does not require dramatic design changes. It requires refinement in the areas that professionals rely on daily: autofocus precision, sensor readout speed, buffer performance, and workflow integration. If Canon delivers improvements in these areas, the R3 Mark II would strengthen its role as a flagship action mirrorless camera. It would not need to reinvent the category. It would simply need to perform slightly better, slightly faster, and slightly smarter in demanding environments. Until official specifications are announced, expectations remain based on the trajectory of Canon's technology and the needs of professional users. The foundation established by the original R3 provides a clear direction. The likely outcome is a camera that feels familiar but more polished, maintaining the speed, stacked sensor advantages, and professional ergonomics that define the first generation, while enhancing performance where it matters most. For working professionals, incremental reliability gains can be more valuable than dramatic spec changes. If the Canon R3 Mark II follows that philosophy, it will continue serving as a high-performance tool built for action, precision, and real-world demands.